Topic is insert arithmetic mean between two numbers or values or anything. Okay, so here the topic is insert. What is the meaning of insert? The meaning of insert is to put between the two values will be given and you have to put between these two values the arithmetic mean. Okay, how this will be solved? For this again there will formula be used for finding insert arithmetic mean between two numbers, and the formula here will be which we will be using if solving examples and question is an is equal to a1 plus nd. Okay, as you know that arithmetic mean is always represented by a, so here they are talking about arithmetic. We have to insert, and what we will insert between two numbers, it will be arithmetic mean. So definitely the formula will be containing the arithmetic mean. Okay, so arithmetic mean is represented by capital A, and remaining terms are a1, and you know what is a1. A1 is the first term of any sequence, n is the number of terms, and d is the difference between the terms. Okay, so to remember this formula I will give you a short trick so that you just don't become confused, because there are so many formulas used in this arithmetic topic, so arithmetic sequence or progression topic. So for this you will just remember English word and. Okay, whenever you have to just remember this formula with the help of this English word and. As you can see that and a1 plus formula sign and nd. So you have to just remember the word and you will automatically recall the formula for inserting arithmetic mean between two numbers. Okay, now I will solve example related to this topic so the topic become clear to you. Okay, so example is insert three arithmetic means between 6 and 42. Okay, so here question is asked that insert three arithmetic means. So there are not just one arithmetic mean, we have to find three arithmetic means between 6 and 42. So you have just remember the formula which was and. I as told you above, you have to remember this formula and you have to just put, you will formula here a1 plus nd. Okay, now what is a1? A1 is the first value of the sequence which is given, which is 6 here, and what is d here? As the whole sequence is not given, so we are not able to find the value of d here. For this, what we will do? So student, remember, whenever any term is missing, for example if d is missing, if a1 is missing, if n is missing, you will always use the nth term formula. Remember that formula which was key formula. I was told you in previous video that this formula will be used in every question, approximately in every question. Okay, so here d is missing, so whenever any term is missing, we will take help of nth term formula, which was an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 d. Okay student, so what we will do here, we will do first of all we will make the sequence, and the sequence is here first term is 6 and we have to insert three arithmetic means between these two terms. So they will be a1, a2, a3, and the last term will be 42. So from this sequence you can see the first term is a1 which is equal to 6. Okay, and what is n? N is the total number of terms in this sequence. So just count the total number of terms: 1 2 3 4 5. So here n is equal to 5 and we have to just find the value of d. For this we will just put all the values in nth term formula, which is okay, one more thing, here the last term is also given. So here an is equal to 42. Now this formula, nth term formula, will be used to find the value of d because d is missing. So we will just put all these values in nth term formula. So an is 42, a1 is 6, plus n is the number of terms in whole sequence, minus 1, and we have to find d. Okay, so 42, 6 plus 4d, you have to just shift 6 on other side of the equation and it will become opposite sign, as it is plus, and when we will shift it will become negative. Okay, plus 4d. So here we will get 36 is equal to 4d. Now again, as we have to find the value of d, so just divide 4 on both sides of the equation and we will get d is equal to 9. So we get all the values, that is d and a1, an, all values are given. So what is the insert formula? Insert arithmetic mean formula. It was an is equal to a1 plus nd. Just write it here. An is equal to a1 plus nd. Okay, now as we have to find 3 arithmetic means, so put n is equal to 1 2 3. So here we get a1 for first arithmetic mean. Okay, for finding first arithmetic mean, put n is equals to 1. I will write it for you so you don't have to confuse. For finding first arithmetic mean, put n is equal to 1. So here a1 is equal to a1 plus n, as n is equal to 1, so here n will be 1, and d. So what is a1? A1 is the first term of the sequence, and which was first term was a1 is equal to 6. So here put a1 is equal to 6 plus 1, and as we have find d, so put d is equal to 9. So here first arithmetic mean, which is 6 plus 9, and 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Now we have to find second arithmetic mean. Okay, so for second arithmetic mean, put n is equal to 2 in insert arithmetic mean formula. Okay, so a2 is equal to a1 plus n is equal to 2d, and a1 is the first term of the sequence, which was 6, and plus 2, and d was equal to 9. 6 plus 2 9s are 18, which is equal to 24. So here we have find the second arithmetic mean. Now it's the turn of third arithmetic mean, finding third arithmetic mean, and again for finding third arithmetic mean, just put n is equal to 3 in insert arithmetic mean formula, which is an, and now here n is equal to 3, so a3 is equal to a1 plus 3d, and a1 is the first term of the sequence, which is 6, and we already find the value of d, which is equal to 9. So here 6 plus 3 9s are 27, which is equal to 33. So What we find all the three arithmetic means which was inserted between the two values, and the two values which was given in the question was 6 and 42. So write here 6 and 42, and the three arithmetic means which we find here are a1 is equal to 15, a2 is equal to 24, and a3 is equal to 33. So this is our final answer. Okay student, now I will solve example number 2. Okay, I will solve example number 2 related to this topic. So the insert arithmetic mean between the terms topic become more clear to you. So example number 2 is insert 5 arithmetic means between 9 and 33. Now again extreme values are given, as you know. First smallest value is a and the greatest value is 6. So I will go further and solve this for you. Okay, now how many arithmetic means we have to insert between these two values? First of all, we will make the sequence. Okay, I will write here for you. First step will be make sequence. So first term is n, and we have 2, and the last term is 33, and we have to insert 5 arithmetic means, and you know arithmetic mean is represented by capital A, but there are 5, so we will write a1, a2, a3, a4 and a5. So we just make the sequence. Now we have to write the formula which is used for inserting the arithmetic mean between the terms. The formula is, as you remember by the trick AND. So I will write AN is equal to AND A1 plus ND. Okay. So here in formula A1 is given, so A1 is equal to 9. Okay. And what is n? N is the number of terms. So here number of terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what is D? As we are not able to find D because the second value is not given, so we are not able to find D directly. So D is missing. So whenever any value or any term is missing, for example, if A1 is missing or N is missing or D is missing, we will always take help of nth term formula. So nth term formula, I hope you remember. So I will write here to find value of D, we will use formula nth term formula of arithmetic sequence. And the formula was, I hope you now remember the formula, AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1D. Now as A1 value is given, N is given, we have to find D. What is AN? AN is the last value of the sequence. So here AN is equal to 33. Okay, just put all values in this formula and you will be able to find the value of D. So AN is equal to 33, A1 is equal to 9, and plus N are the total number of terms, which are 7 minus 1, and we have to find D. Okay, now here 33 is equal to 9 plus 6D, and what you have to do, you have to just shift this 9 on other side of the equation, so it will become negative 9, and here we will get 33 minus 9, which is equal to 24, is equal to 60, and divide 6 on both sides of the equation, and you will get the value of d, which is equal to 6 6 4s are 24. Okay, so now we have find all the values which are we have to put in this insert formula. We have a1, we have n, and now we have d, but we have find 5 arithmetic means. So I will write the formula here again. Insert arithmetic mean formula. Okay, now to find first arithmetic mean, we put n is equal to 1. So here a1 is equal to a1 plus 1d, and you know value of a1, which was, as you can see from the sequence, 9. So here put 9 plus 1, and d as we find here, which is equal to 4. So here a2 is equal to a1 is the first term of the sequence plus 2, and d is equal to 4. So here we get 9 plus 4 2s are 8, which is equal to 17. Okay, so this is the second arithmetic mean. For third arithmetic mean, put n is equal to 3 in insert arithmetic mean formula. So a1 is the first term of the sequence, and d is equal to 4. So here we get 9, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, and 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. Similarly, we have to solve for fourth arithmetic mean, which is equal to a4 plus a1 plus 4d. Okay, so here we get 9 plus 4, 4, which is equal to 16. So here we get 16 plus 9 is equal to 25, which is equal to fourth arithmetic mean. Okay, now we have to find the last one, which is the fifth arithmetic mean. Again put n is equal to 5, and here we get a5 is equal to 9 plus 5, and d is equal to 4. 9 plus 20, which is equal to 29. So we have insert 5 arithmetic means between the values, which was first term was 9, and the first arithmetic mean, which 13. So a1 is equal to 13, a2 is equal to 17, a3 is equal to 21, a4 is equal to 25, and last term of the sequence was 33. Okay, so this is our final answer. I hope you understand all the points related to this topic, and now we will go further for our last topic, and our last topic is student. Now I will discuss the topic related to sum of n terms